What's up guys, today I'm talking about custom PCB shapes, so let's get into it. When designing a circuit board, you often have size constraints or you're trying to fit your project inside of an enclosure. In Flux, there are a few ways to customize and shape the size of a board. So in my project here, the board is currently set to the default size. To change that, I can simply select Layout in the Object panel and add an object-specific rule. I'll just add size and change it to 40 by 30 millimeters. The first number is always the x-axis, and the second number is the y-axis. Another way we can change the shape is to add the layout shape rule. I can change this to circular, and Flux automatically takes care of that. But what if we need a totally custom shape that isn't a square or a circle? To do that, we need to upload a DXF file. You can create a DXF in a CAD software such as AutoCAD or Fusion 360. Then we can upload the file to the Assets panel. Once that's done, simply add another object-specific rule to Layout and search for Asset. Finally, just select the file name you uploaded and you're done. Now, there is one more way we can create a board outline, and that's by using an SVG file. If you haven't seen it already, I cover SVGs in my last video, but there are a couple of important differences for using an SVG for a board shape outline. Here I have a vector of a maple leaf set to the size that I want, but it needs to be a black outline. And we can simply export this selection. Now, unfortunately, if we try to import this into Flux, it will be far bigger than what we want. To work around that, we just need to open the SVG file with a text editor and add transform equals scale, parentheses, 0.001. Just save that and go to Flux. We need to add the asset and set it to layout, the same way we did with the DXF file. And there it is. Of course, we can move components around to make it fit, but you have a custom board shape. Alright, give this video a like if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more content like this every week.